Hi, here is a demo for the sequential shift-add multiplier. Here are the VHD files I got. This is the top level. This is the source of data, the display driver, and the multiplier. In the top level, since we know that the output from our multiplier will be 12 bits, and the LED on the FPGA board can show 16 bits, so I append 4 zeros in front of the multiply output. So the first value you will see on the LED will be 0, and then I make it to the input of the output processor. Also, in the source of data, I store 4 values of A and B in 2 ROMs. They are 1, 63, 56, and 7. These are the corresponding hexadecimal numbers you are gonna see on the FPGA board. And so we have 4 data here. So it means we need 2 switches to control it. So I choose these 2 for A and these 2 for B. So now let's first try. If we choose A to be 1, and then I choose B to be the 4 values, which is gonna be like a traverse of this ROM. So the number you're gonna see is 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, and 7. So now let's show it on a FPGA board. So this button I choose to be the start signal, which is just the enable one. And now it's the first one for A. Oh, sorry, I need to first download the program to the FPGA board. Okay, now it works. So now it's first one for A and the first one for B. So now let's calculate. So it should be 1. Now still A gonna be the first one, which is 1. Now I choose to be the second one of B. It's 3F, which is 63. And now the third one, still calculated, 38. So it's 56. Now the last one, something like 7. So this simple multiplication works. Now let's check out bigger values. So for 6-bit input, the largest one is 63. So the biggest multiplication would be 63 multiplied by another 63. So now let's first calculate using the calculator in Windows. Now what about 63 multiplied by 63? Okay, now what is gonna be in hexadecimal? It's gonna be like F81. So we should see F81 on FPGA board. Now let's choose it. So we need to choose the second one of A and the second one of B. So now let's calculate. So it's F81, which is the same we get using a calculator. Now let's test the last one. What about 63 multiplied by 56? So now let's also do it in calculator first. And first calculate 63 multiplied by 56. And in hexadecimal, it's going to be DC8. So we should see DC8 on FPGA board. So we need to choose the second one of A and the third one of B. So the second one of A, the third one of B. So now let's calculate. It's DC8. So to verify all the functions of this multiplier, and that's all for the demo.